As the DCI looks into the death of a young mother at the Minnehaha County Jail, KENNECKE Investigates has uncovered information about the Florida-based company which provides medical services to the jail. While inmate deaths are rare in Minnehaha County, they're nothing new for Armor Correctional Health Care. The company handles medical services for thousands of inmates in 8 states. KENNECKE's KENNECKE has been looking into the trail of deaths, lawsuits, and even criminal charges involving Armor.
Armor Correctional Health Services told me it asked a nurse whom it subcontracted with not to return to the jail following 31-year-old Jordan Eichmann's death. However, the company says its investigation is done, and it has found there was no clinical error that contributed to her death. According to the jail's warden, Eichmann was suspected of being on a substance but refused medical help when she was brought in. The jail says she was being screened frequently via video. However, I spoke with Eichmann's mother, who told me family members have been contacted by 2 fellow inmates who claim Eichmann's pleas for help were ignored. KENNECKE Investigates has uncovered that jailhouse deaths have happened before under Armor. We found dozens of lawsuits filed by inmates or their families against the company, more than 30 in federal court in one district in Florida. 2 Florida counties ended their contracts with Armor after separate incidents involving inmate deaths. Anthony Fennick complained for days about a headache and stomach pains in the Flagler County Jail. After he was finally taken to the hospital, he died.
How they handled this tragedy and how they reacted to my staff is not what I expect.
Terry West died in the El Paso County Jail in Colorado in 2019. According to the Gazette of Colorado Springs, in the hours before he died, West screamed for help and vomited blood while nearby medical staffer walked away. County officials there chose a new provider for inmates' health following the incident. In 2016, New York's Attorney General settled a lawsuit which alleged that Armor put inmates' health in jeopardy. Armor agreed to pay $350,000 and not to bid or enter into any contract to provide jail health services in the state of New York for 3 years. Armor denied any wrongdoing. In Milwaukee, Armor is facing felony criminal charges after an inmate died of dehydration. According to prosecutors, Armor's staff claimed to make checks on him that could not be verified by surveillance video. The state of Wisconsin has filed 7 counts of falsifying records and 1 count of abuse of residence. A status hearing on that case is set for Friday, but no trial date has been set yet. We asked Armor about each of these cases. They told KENNECKE Investigates that Armor Health cannot disclose the details of any litigation without violating federal privacy laws applying to both past and current cases. Minnehaha County entered into a contract with Armor Correctional Health Services in 2014. This year, it will pay the company $3.2 million. You can see our KENNECKE.com original report on that contract on our website.